Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Fidelity account. So as you can see here, I have a totally brand new account and we're going to add money. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add a bank account. Now I have a video on how to do this. I'll link it below, but real quick, let me just show you. At the top right, click on that person icon. From there, scroll down a little bit until you see the option for banks and cards. Under that, you'll see linked accounts and banks. So you're going to want to click on linked account and banks and follow all the on-screen prompts. It's pretty easy. But let's say I just want to add money onto my Fidelity account. At the very bottom you see multiple tabs: home, investing, transact, planning, and discover. We're going to click on transact, and from here you should see multiple options at the top: trade, transfer, deposit checks. We're going to click on transfer, and it's going to ask you where are you transferring money from. So theoretically, if you already have that bank account linked to your Fidelity account, it will show up under this drop down menu. So I selected my bank account, obviously going to blur that out for privacy reasons, and now you got to select to which Fidelity account. So I'm going to click there and select the Fidelity account that I want the transfer to go into or the deposit to go into. Okay, now you have to select the frequency. I'm just going to select just once this time, and then at the very bottom you're going to enter in an amount. So I'm going to type there $25. Okay, and if everything looks good to you, at the very bottom you see the option to review. So I'm going to click on review, and it just gives you a summary. You're transferring X amount from what bank account or what account, and to which Fidelity account, and the date. And if you are pleased with everything you see here, click on submit at the very bottom. If you're not, at the top left you see the arrow icon. You click on that to modify this transaction. So I'm good with what I see here. I'm going to click on submit, and again it's just going to give you a summary to confirm everything. And as you can see there, I have a portfolio value of $25, the amount that I selected, and now I can invest. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.